Security and Cryptography about Encryption and Decryption. Video presentation by Michelangelo M. Vasquez from BSCPE 301A. What is encryption and decryption? Encryption is like locking a box with a secret key. It transforms plain text, data that you can read, into a scrambled, unreadable format called ciphertext. Only someone with the correct key can unlock the box and read the message. Encryption protects sensitive information by making it incomprehensible to unauthorized individuals, ensuring privacy and security. Decryption is the reverse process of unlocking the box. It uses the secret key to unscramble the ciphertext back into readable plain text. This allows authorized parties to access and understand the original information. Decryption is essential for accessing protected data, ensuring that only authorized individuals can read and use the information. The purpose of this website, HITIPS www.devglan.com, online tools that has text encryption decryption. It shows the text encryption and decryption, which is a free online tool designed to provide users with a simple and secure way to encrypt and decrypt text. The website utilizes a random key for encryption, ensuring that the original message is hidden from unauthorized access. Users can choose to encrypt their text with the custom secret key for added security. The website emphasizes the importance of using strong encryption algorithms and secure key management practices, offering valuable advice on how to protect sensitive information. So this is the simulation and elaboration of this website, which is the encryption and decryption techniques, especially on this tool. So I've typed MC Showstar and okay, enter secret key 123 by just clicking and encrypt. So this is the recorded upload and I copy it and I must decrypt it and enter secret key, so decrypt. So MC Showstar it as a result. So here it is needed for the effects of the website function on the aspects of data communication. Of the website function. The website function, providing online text encryption and decryption, significantly impacts data communication by enhancing security and privacy. The tool allows users to convert readable text into an unreadable form, ciphertext, using a random or custom secret key, preventing unauthorized access. This encryption process safeguards sensitive information during transmission and storage, ensuring data confidentiality. The website use of HTTPS protocol further strengthens security by encrypting communication between the user's browser and the server, protecting secret keys from interception. By offering these features, the website promotes secure data exchange and enhances the privacy of users' communications. Thanks for watching, everyone. Also, Merry Christmas, especially Ma'am Chronica Leona. So, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Showstar. And have a nice day, everyone. Good night, and watch my videos. Bye.